Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the topic experimental proof of chromosomal theory of inheritance. So what is the experimental proof? So the experimental verification of chromosomal theory of inheritance that was given by Thomas Hunt Morgan. He is also known as T.H. Morgan. So he is the father of experimental genetics. Father of genetics, that is Gregor John Mendel, but the father of experimental genetics, that is the Thomas Hunt Morgan, and he performed many experiments on the Drosophila insect. So in 1933 he got the Nobel Prize for his study on the insect. Nobel Prize in 1933 for doing the best in the experimental genetics, and he chose the insect that is the Drosophila melanogaster that is used for his experimental genetics. Now the question arises that the Mendel selected the pea plant for his experiment, and we have discussed that why Mendel selected the pea plant for his experiment, because the life cycle of pea plant that is short. Like that, why the T.H. Morgan selected Drosophila insect for his experiment. So this Drosophila melanogaster, it is known as the fruit fly. So why we are calling it the fruit fly? Because mostly it is seen on the ripe fruits like mango, banana, etc. And the size of this fruit fly, if we can also make the diagram of the insect. And what is insect? Insect is the you can say the animal which is divided into head, thorax and abdomen, and having the 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. So like that, suppose it is the head, it is the thorax, it is the abdomen, and there are the legs, prothoracic leg, mesothoracic leg and the metathoracic leg. There are the 2 pairs of wings and 3 pairs of legs. So like this we can make the diagram of an insect. So this Drosophila insect that is chosen by Thomas Hunt Morgan. Why he selected this insect? Because the size of this insect is also very less, that is almost 2 mm, and it is mostly found on ripe fruits, means जो पके हुए fruit है उन पे ये mostly मिलता है. And why it is present on the ripe fruits? Because on the ripe fruits yeast is there. जो yeast है, जो fermentation process, yeast start the fermentation process in fruits, and due to the presence of the yeast, these fruit flies are attracted towards the ripe fruits, so that actually it is found on the ripe fruits. Now there are some reasons why this Thomas Hunt Morgan selected the Drosophila. First is the short lifespan. So the lifespan of the Drosophila insect, that is very short, and it is almost 2 weeks. Mendel selected the pea plant for his experiment, and what was the life cycle of the pea plant? That is almost 4 weeks, but the Drosophila lifespan, that is 2 weeks. Next, it can be easily reared and breed in the lab. मीन्स इसको लैब में हम अच्छे से पाल सकते हैं और ये ब्रीड कर सकती है, रिप्रोडक्शन कर सकती है इन द लैब. नेक्स्ट, it can breed throughout the year, मीन्स इनका कोई सीजन नहीं होता ब्रीडिंग का, इनमें जो रिप्रोडक्शन है साल के किसी भी सीजन में स्टार्ट हो सकती है. सो दे कैन ब्रीड थ्रू आउट द ईयर. एंड नेक्स्ट इज द सेक्सुअल डायमॉर्फिज्म इज देयर. In case of Drosophila, there is a sexual dimorphism, means male and female can be easily identified. Easily identified means there is a difference. Females are larger. The females are larger as compared to males. And the single mating, or you can say the single breeding, can produce the hundreds of the offsprings. So we can say the single mating produced hundreds of offsprings. And next, there are the 4 pairs of chromosomes in case of Drosophila, and 3 pairs that are the autosomes. What are autosomes? The chromosomes accepts the sex chromosome. In case of human being, there are the 23 pairs of chromosomes, and out of those 23, 22 are the autosomes, and 1 pair, 22 pair are the autosomes, and 1 pair, that is the sex chromosome. So in case of Drosophila, there are the 4 pairs of chromosomes, then 3 pair that are the autosomes, and 1 pair that is the sex chromosome in case of Drosophila. So there are the 4 pairs of chromosomes present in Drosophila melanogaster, 3 pair that are the autosomes, and 1 pair that is the sex chromosome. So in case of the male heterogamety is there. Heterogamety means producing the 2 types of gamete, having the X chromosome or having the Y chromosome. And in case of the female, the homogamety is there, like in case of human being. In case of human being, the human female that is producing the egg, and the egg have always the X chromosomes. But in case of the sperm one type having the X chromosome or having the Y chromosome. So there is the 50% possibility that the X chromosome may be there or the Y chromosome. So if the Y chromosome fuse with the egg, then there is the possibility of the male child, and if the X chromosome fuse with the egg, then there is the possibility of the female child. So like the human being, the same type of sex determination is present in case of Drosophila. So we can say the male heterogamety is there in case of Drosophila, and female homogamety is there in case of Drosophila. The very important thing, that is the polytene chromosome present in the salivary gland of Drosophila. And what is this polytene chromosome? This polytene chromosome is used to study most of the chromosomal disorders. So what is the importance of this polytene chromosome? It is used to study most of the chromosomal disorders, or we can say the chromosomal mutations. Chromosomal mutations means the change in the base sequence of the chromosomes. If due to the release of the some genes, or due to the deletion of the genes, due to the duplication of the genes, mutation can take place in the chromosome, and that mutation is easily studied with the help of this polytene chromosome. So it is present in the salivary gland. This question always come, that where the polytene chromosomes are present. So polytene chromosomes are present in the salivary gland of these insects. So that is the experimental verification of chromosomal theory of inheritance, and who is known as the father of experimental genetics, that is the Thomas Hunt Morgan. So he studied on Drosophila. So why he selected the Drosophila? We have discussed the different reason. So that is the experimental proof of that chromosomal theory of inheritance. So that is about the experimental proof. Thank you.